to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I just have a quick look at the items I received in my Fab Fit Fun spring box for 2021. So in each Fab Fit Fun box you do get a code. Here's this. I think it's backwards, but I'll put it down below if you'd like to save some money. You get a guide as to what a lot of the products are and just some articles and stickers. So I am an annual subscriber, which means I pay once a year for the boxes. I have more options to customize. I will go through that in another video. But for this box, the first item I received is this Monroe watch. I will put another clip on there because I don't think the camera wants to focus. But it's a $100 value, I think. It is a leather band, rose gold face. It is a quartz movement, which means it uses a battery. I don't know what the dust bag is, but it did come with a dust bag. So far so good. I would say the leather is very stiff. That is to be expected though. I do have a mod shot I'm also going to insert in this video. The second item you have the ability to customize was a hat. I chose this Daisy bucket hat. It doesn't look that great right now because my hair is up, but I think this is about an $80 value. It is by Alice and Olivia. And look at the back. Again, I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's just a real simple, I think it could be worn reversible. Yes, it can be worn reversible. So like this would look really good with my white Hermes Berlingo bag. Very excited for that. The next item I have as an add-on is one I'm trying out. It is Pericone MD, and I'll go ahead and put a close-up after this clip as well. It is a regenerating moisturizer. It's supposed to help with anti-aging, and I've been having a few fine lines by my eyes from school. If you didn't know, I'm a grad student and work, so we'll try that out. Have in here, I believe you could also customize. I have two of them. Is this Ahava Refreshing Cleansing Gel. This is a full-size product, which I do love about Fab Fit Fun. 100 milliliters. I have this journal or planner that was in plastic. I'll have a closer shot, but it does have some stickers, and you get to fill in the dates and what you want to do. This is good for me for work because I do, and school of course, because I do go through quite a few readings and assignments. I think I forget what the value is, but I should look this up. The value on the journal is $45, which is pretty good. For the next category, okay, that's where in the other category, the face wash was. They pick a few things for you as well. I did select some of this tropical floss because I'm all about good teeth. It is candy flavored. I will say the scent was pretty candy-like and strong when I opened the box. I was like, oh, it was prevalent right away. They picked this item. I'm not a huge fan of sippy cups, but I did get a cactus shaped cup. If this will focus, it is dishwasher safe, BPA free. This one is a $20 value, which I don't really think is like a $3 Target. Anyway, I'll keep my mouth shut. I also have a few other items. Okay, so they picked these daisy hair clips, which can be fun. They are by Love, it looks, each designed with love in New York. So we'll try them out, see how good of quality they are. And the last item I have in here are some puff pads for makeup, which I'm honestly not going to get a huge use out of. That one, the puff pads are worth $15, and then the hair clips are worth $30. So I paid about 30 something or 40 something per box is how it works out at the end of the year. But you know, the watch alone is worth the value of the box, and the hat, which I wouldn't pay full price for, is worth a lot of money as well. So I think I got pretty good value. I don't know if I'm gonna extend my membership this year. I probably will. I always try to get more value than the box, of course. You know, last year I wasn't super into skincare, but this year I am. With Fab Fit Fun, like I said, you can customize most of the items. They also offer the ability to pay extra to add on a few. That's where I got the Pericone MD. I added that or the cleansing gel. I forget which one was which, but so far I'm really happy with it. I really like, you do get some of the more posh brands like Elemis if you decide you want to add that to your box or customize. So pretty happy with this spring box for 2021. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. I hope you guys have a great day and are staying safe out there. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll be back soon.